Kids class online. A for apple.
A for apple.
B for balloon.
B for balloon.
C for car.
C for car.
D for duck.
D for duck.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fan.
F for fan.
G for gun.
G for gun.
H for horse.
H for horse.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for juice.
J for juice.
K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lotus.
L for lotus.
M for mango.
M for mango.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rose.
R for rose.
S for sheep.
S for sheep.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
V for van.
V for van.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for x-ray.
X for x-ray.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.